Today I would like to tell you about modern educational system. Gilbert Chesterton said, "Education is simply the soul of a society that passes from one generation to another." And I fully agree with this statement. Education and people are inseparable. Quality education is an important part of every person's life. This process develops self-confidence, gives skills and knowledges, and of course, helps to form a person. Any problem faced by civilization inevitably affects the field of learning process. But do we really need to modernize our educational system? Is it outdated? So educational reforms, of course, should start with schooling, since it provides the foundation of our further learning and career choices. In fact, the discrepancy of education with the requirements of modern world is discussed not only in Ukraine, but for example in the United States or South Korea, which are actively implementing reform in this area. After all, modern system was formed 200 years ago, and it is so-called Prussian system, and to produce soldiers rather than individuals, while higher learning is considered as individual characteristic of those who study. Mara Kilonen, the head of the Helsinki Education Department and the author of the Innovative Educational Reforms in Finland, says that today's school teaches children in the old-fashioned way that is more suitable for the 20th century. But now, 21st century, and we need something new, because the demands have been changed. And this says a country where schooling is considered one of the best in the world. So in what century is the Ukrainian school then? Ukrainian educational system is outdated. There are a lot of problems: unnecessary subjects, poor teacher training, the lack of students' motivation. Since the Soviet Union, there haven't been any efficient changes. And of course, the modern education should be aimed at the development of each individual, their features, talent test, the disclosure of those unique abilities which they can apply in the interest of the all mankind. And of course, you need to think creatively, which is the river to think independently. Remember, everybody is genius. But if you judge a fish for its ability to climb a tree, it will live their whole life believing that it is stupid.